The right vehicle? Check out the 2008 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, power windows, clock, child safety locks, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.